Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got a PinchMe box. This PinchMe box was from my goodness, this PinchMe box is from March. In April, I only got a free magazine trial subscription. But, you know, there's not always something available for you. You know that. I've mentioned that before. What you do when you first sign up is you put in your age and demographics, basically. And then your, like, basic profile. For example, if you don't have a cat and the only thing that they're sampling that month is cat food, they're not going to send you any. They're not going to make it available to you. But this, like I said, was from March. And let's see what we got. It's this kind of box, so it doesn't open like a thing. Oh, that's right. I was so excited to start. So this is from Seeds of Change. It's quinoa and brown rice, and it's a 90-second rice with quinoa. So those of you who don't know, this word is pronounced quinoa. But if you don't know that quinoa is a natural grain that is very high in protein. So this is good till May of 2019, but of course I'm going to try it so that I can do a review on it. This has, let's see, 2 servings. Each serving's 240 calories, 3.5 grams of total fat, 0 cholesterol, 400 milligrams of sodium, 210 milligrams of potassium. Total carbohydrates are 47 grams. The dietary fiber is 3 grams. And the sugars are 1 gram. But there's only 1 gram of sugar. But there is 6 grams of protein. Because quinoa is a natural, like I said, a natural source of protein. So basically, if you've never made a instant rice in a pouch, you basically knead it. Don't puncture it. Yeah, just knead it to break up the clumps, like as it's shipping and stuff, it gets clumped together. And then you tear a slit in the thing and you stand it in your microwave for 90 seconds and it is done beautiful because it's pre-cooked and vacuum sealed in here. So I'm excited to try that. Yay! The next thing, oh yes. Okay, so this is from Garnier, and that's how you say that word. You know, I'll tell you a story in a second. So this is how you say Garnier. This is Garnier's Whole Blends Haute Delicacy. It is shampoo and conditioner sample. So this is a sample of shampoo, and this is a sample of the conditioner. And it's new, and it's gentle. It says it soothes, hydrates, and protects. It's paraben-free, tested on sensitive scalps. So I was excited to try this. When I used to color my hair, and I've always been a dirty blonde, but when I was younger, I would lighten it from time to time, or, you know, do different things. I always had, even when I did it right, I always had like burning scalp. So I do have sensitive scalp. I do have some dry patches here and there around. So I have to be mindful. And when I saw this, I'd never heard of it. You know, I had used, when it bothers me, sometimes I use baby shampoo, but I was so excited to see this. So I'm excited to give that a try. I want to go take a shower now so I could try it. Okay, so I wanted to let you know I received one of these in February, and the coupon was only good until the end of March. However, it was not available in my store yet. They had not carried it in my Walmart. But they have it. I think they have it now. I think we saw it last time. But of course, the coupon's expired. But it's nice and easy. We just talked about coloring your hair, right? It's for nice and easy change in the hair, a free box of hair coloring, and they give you a hair tie. So it's coming out the back there. And it's my favorite kind of hair tie. It's the stretchy ribbon, and it says Clairol on it. Isn't that cute? But what you do is you get a free box of the hair dye. So it says, experience a new revolution in color. Rub here for a fresh floral scent. So they actually give you like a sample of what it smells like, which is nice. That's very nice, actually. Our patented new permanent hair color technology helps block damage, which I thought was, that's why I was excited to try it. But of course, it wasn't available. So it says it's allergy gentle conditioner in every step, non-drip cream formula, 100% gray coverage, and 8 weeks of coverage. So I'm going to dye my hair. You guys will see me. I usually try, like I said, I try to pick a shade that's sort of like blonde or strawberry blonde. Ash blonde I like, strawberry blonde. It just makes it fresher looking, like my hair fresher looking. And but I haven't dyed it in years. So I would think I'm going to try that. And Sweet Heat Skittles. What? Sweet Heat Skittles. Let's see. It's got a description. Fruity flavor with a spicy kick. Sizzling strawberry, blazing mango, lemon spark, flaming orange, and fiery watermelon. Well, I'm excited to try that. It's probably just as much Skittles as I should have in one spot anyway. I hope it's not spicy hot, like how sour is sour. I like that, but I hope it's not like taco hot or whatever. And here is a sample of L'Oreal. See, there's a sample there. It's actually quite a big sample. Moisturizing Day Cream, Renew and Revive for a blushed tone. And on the back is a 5-minute mask for Age Perfect Cell Renewal. So that's what I'm sorry, I think I'm reading this all wrong. So it's from L'Oreal's Age Perfect Cell Renewal. And they sent you a rosy regimen, is what they're calling it. And it is a mask and a daily moisturizer. A moisturizing day cream, excuse me. So the mask, resurface and refresh for glowing, cooled, rosy skin. And the moisturizing day cream, renew and revive for a blushed tone. And and that's how, oh look, you open them with a perforated top. That's really cool. That's really cool. So you keep them on the cardboard, but then when you go to use them, the cardboard rips too, which is kind of cool. And on the bottom is a coupon for $5 off of 2. So if you love it, and you can buy more, but the coupon has the perforation in the middle too, which was a fail. Actually, technically, you don't. Well, you do need all that. So I'm gonna tape that so that doesn't. I'll tape that so that doesn't break off. It says with cell renew. It says a rosy regimen to visibly renew and revive a rosy tone with cell renewing ingredients and imperial peony, renewing and reviving rosy tones. Rosy mask. Apply mask to clean dry face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 minutes. Gently massage mask into skin using light upward circular motions to help exfoliate. Rinse off with water. And it says in case you get it in your eyes, rinse it right away. And then the rosy moisturizer. Every morning, smooth gently onto face. Use this clean all over face for an overall rosy toned complexion. That's really cool. So, you can try that out. And there is one more. Oh, a coupon from the Seeds of Change. So save $2 on one Seeds of Change food product. So if I end up loving this rice and quinoa, brown rice and quinoa, they have other varieties. Let me read them to you really quick. They have a 7 whole grain and a brown basmati rice on the picture. That's what they're showing. Oh, and brown and red rice. So those are the 3 varieties they're showing here, and then the one that we get to try. So that's really cool. So that is everything that's in my Pinch Me box, which it's a good box this month. That was a good box. So if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. I will leave the link to my PinchMe referral code down below so that you could try it if you haven't yet. I don't get anything, you don't get it. I mean, you get everything, you get samples. But don't be disappointed if you don't get picked every month, if you don't have the opportunity to pick samples all the time. And you know, it's just there, and it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to put in a credit card. Like a lot of times the box subscriptions, they tell you you get a free box or a free month, but you have to already put in your card, and you have to sign up and cancel at any time, that kind of thing. But PinchMe's not like that. PinchMe just gives samples and asks you for your feedback, so it's really good. It's a it's a really good subscription plan. So if you haven't yet, join the family. When you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. So just hit the little subscribe button and ring the little bell if you're new and you followed me from, if you found me because I put PinchMe box review on there. And that's it. So as always, you take care. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye. So hey gang, as you can tell by the lighting, it's a little bit different. I was just editing the video. This is a few hours later, quite a few hours later. I was just editing the video and realized that I was going to tell you a story. But if you watched around, I don't know, I think around the 8-minute mark, you see a shadow pass by me. Just at the end of the video, you see a shadow pass by me. Well, Jim woke up and he distracted the heck out of me, so I forgot to tell you the story. So I wanted to just jump on here real quick. You guys, I've mentioned it before. I don't know if everybody knows this, but I'm not a reader. Everything that I know, I learned from TV is what I joke and used to tell everybody all the time. But I am really a visual learner that way. But I'm not really a reader. And it was a story. I had my friend, you guys know my best friend Sharon. She's an avid reader. She likes movies and stuff, but she's not a huge TV, she doesn't watch TV dramas. I mean, she does, just a few, like Grey's Anatomy or whatever, But anyway, I saw something on J.K. Rowling's Rowling, I've heard both ways, put on her Twitter account that don't make fun of the way somebody pronounces a word, which means, because that means that they learned it by reading. So I tell you that because then very recently after I saw this tweet, my friend Sharon said a word that I had known as ethereal. She said ethereal, and I was like she teaches me stuff all the time, so I was like, I'm trying to think, I don't know that, I've never heard that word before, and she spelled it, and I was like, oh, I've always heard that said as ethereal. So that made me think of the J.K. Rowling thing. But when I pronounce a word to you, that's just a word that I've heard it pronounced on television before. That means someone else had to go ahead and pronounce it for me. So one of the conversations we had the other day was about the macaron, which is the cookie. So we had a conversation about like macaron, and technically when I looked it up on the internet. The French pronunciation is macaron. There is no long O or double O in the long, what is it, a short U or whatever. There is no oo sound as the sandwich cookie with the French sandwich cookie. It's pronounced macaron. Is what when I looked it up. Macaroon is the coconut drop cookie that I was mentioning before. So just wanted to share that with you guys. But I was saying about Garnier and quinoa, and I know a lot of people do have problems pronouncing those words, but I just know them because I've seen them on TV. That's what I'm saying. So I've heard a professional tell me how it's pronounced. I've watched Garnier commercials, and I'm sure the company Garnier, when they have a commercial and they have a spokesperson, they're going to make sure the spokesperson says the name properly. So that's how I know stuff. That's all. I want to tell you that little story, and when I was editing, I realized I didn't. So I wanted to jump on here and tell you now. So have a good night. Bye.